Long cruises are completely different from short ones. Small mistakes that barely matter on a 3-day sailing can quietly ruin a 12-day or 14-day voyage. Fatigue builds, costs stack up, cabin problems become daily annoyances. And by day 6, many passengers realize they set up their entire trip wrong. But experienced cruisers know something most passengers don't. If you prepare and manage the cruise in the right phases, you can stay comfortable, avoid hidden costs, and enjoy the entire voyage instead of just the first few days. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 12 must-know survival tips for long cruises, in the exact order smart passengers use them. If you follow these steps from the moment you board until the final sea day, your cruise will be smoother, cheaper, and far more enjoyable. Let's start with the phase almost everyone skips. Phase 1, Cabin Survival Setup Step 1. Inspect your cabin immediately the moment you enter your cabin. Stop for 2 minutes and check everything. Open the bathroom door. Turn on the shower. Check the air conditioning. Open drawers. Test the safe. Yes, look at the mattress. Why this matters. If something is broken and you report it early, it's easy for the crew to fix or even move you to another cabin. If you wait 3 days, the ship is already full and your options disappear. On a long cruise, even small issues become daily frustrations. A weak shower, a rattling vent, a mattress dip that ruins your sleep every night. Pro tip, check for vibration or noise by standing quietly in the cabin for a moment. Cabins near elevators or service areas can have constant noise that only becomes noticeable after a few nights. Step 2. Create a cabin organization system. Long cruises mean clutter builds fast. Passengers who don't organize early end up living out of piles of clothes by day 5. Take 5 minutes to assign spaces. 1 drawer for daily clothes, 1 area for excursion gear, 1 for medications and small items. Why this matters. Long cruises involve more sea days, more outfit changes, and more items moving in and out of your cabin. Without a system, you waste time searching for things every day. Pro tip, the walls in most cruise cabins are magnetic. Many experienced cruisers bring magnetic hooks to hang hats, lanyards, jackets, or day bags. Phase 2, Body Adjustment Phase Step 3. Fix your sleep schedule immediately. One of the biggest problems on long cruises is fatigue. People stay up late the first few nights, wake up early for excursions, and within days their sleep schedule collapses. By day 5, they're exhausted. The fix is simple. Pick a sleep time that works with the ship's schedule and lock it in from the first night. And why this matters, long cruises involve repeated port days, sea days, activities, and dining times. If your sleep rhythm gets off track, the entire experience becomes tiring. Pro tip, cabins are extremely dark at night, which can confuse your body clock. Open the curtains for a few minutes every morning to reset your internal rhythm. Step 4. Start hydration habits. Early cruise ships are dry environments. Air conditioning runs constantly, and many passengers drink more alcohol than usual. The result is dehydration. And on long cruises, dehydration slowly builds into headaches, fatigue, and motion sickness. Experienced cruisers do something simple. They drink water every morning before coffee and every evening before bed. Why this matters? Hydration dramatically reduces motion sickness and fatigue. Pro tip, fill a reusable water bottle at the buffet before leaving each morning. It prevents constant trips back to refill glasses. Phase 3, Ship Navigation Mastery Step 5. Learn the ship layout on day 1. Large cruise ships are floating cities. And passengers who never learn the layout waste time every single day. Elevator waits, wrong hallways, walking across the ship multiple times. Instead, spend the first afternoon doing a simple walkthrough. Find the main dining room, the buffet, the theater, the quiet deck areas. Why this matters? On a 12-day cruise, small navigation inefficiencies add up to hours of wasted time. Pro tip, pay attention to which decks allow you to walk fully from front to back. Some decks stop halfway, forcing you to go up or down stairs. Step 6. Identify your quiet zones. Long cruises require breaks from crowds. Most ships have hidden quiet areas passengers never discover. Forward observation lounges during off hours. Rear deck seating behind buffets, upper promenade areas. Why this matters? By day 6, the main pool deck becomes overwhelming. Having a quiet escape keeps the trip relaxing. Pro tip, visit the ship early in the morning once. Many hidden relaxation areas are empty before 9 a.m. Phase 4, Budget Protection Phase Step 7. Work on board spending daily long cruises or where spending quietly gets out of control. Drinks, specialty dining, photos, spa visits, shore excursion. By the end of a 2-week cruise, some passengers are shocked by their bill. The smartest cruisers check their onboard account every evening using the ship's app or guest services. Why this matters? Catching unexpected charges early makes them easier to correct. Pro tip: some ships add gratuities automatically to drinks and services. Many passengers accidentally double tip without realizing it. Step 8. Pace your specialty dining on long cruises. Passengers often rush to try every specialty restaurant in the first few days. Then by day 8, they've spent their entire dining budget. Instead, space them out. Why this matters? Pacing specialty dining gives you variety throughout the voyage and prevents early overspending. Pro tip: many cruise lines offer discounted specialty dining on port days when restaurants are less busy. Phase 5. Energy Management Phase Step 9. Don't overbook excursions. One of the fastest ways to burn out on a long cruise is scheduling an excursion at every port. It sounds exciting during booking, but after 5 ports in a row, passengers are exhausted. Experienced cruisers leave at least one port day as a rest day where they stay on the ship. Haul a ship. Why this matters? Ships are incredibly quiet when many passengers go ashore. Pool, spas, and lounges become peaceful. Pro tip: port day spa discounts are common because the ship wants to attract passengers who stay on board. Step 10. Protect sea days. Sea days. Sea days are the recovery periods of long cruises. But many passengers accidentally overschedule them with trivia games, shows, shopping events, and classes. Suddenly, the relaxing day becomes just as busy as a port day. Why this matters? Pacing activities helps you maintain energy for the entire cruise. Pro tip: choose 1 or 2 activities per day instead of 5. Phase 6, Comfort Optimization Phase. Step 11. Build a daily routine. Long cruises feel better when they have rhythm. Morning walk. Breakfast at the same quiet spot. Afternoon relaxation. Evening show. Passengers who create small daily routines feel more settled and less overwhelmed by the ship's constant schedule. Why this matters? Routine reduces decision fatigue and helps the cruise feel relaxing instead of chaotic. Pro tip: many experienced cruisers do a sunset walk on the promenade deck every evening. It becomes one of the most memorable parts of the trip. Step 12. Plan your final days early. The last 2 days of a long cruise can become stressful if you wait too long. Laundry lines grow. Guest services becomes crowded. Packing becomes rushed. Instead, begin light packing 2 nights before disembarkation. Why this matters? Spreading packing over multiple evenings prevents the last night scramble that ruins the final sea day. Pro tip: check your final bill the day before disembarkation to resolve issues before long lines form. Traps passengers fall into on long cruises. Even experienced travelers sometimes make these mistakes. Ignoring cabin problems early, overspending in the first few days, booking too many excursions, skipping rest days, and the biggest trap of all, treating a long cruise like a short vacation. Long cruises are marathons, not sprints. When you pace yourself correctly, they become one of the most relaxing travel experiences in the world. Now I'm curious about your experience. What's the longest cruise you've ever taken? And what surprised you the most after the first few days?